Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a to-do list of the most important tasks of yours on the by using the Pregnancy Plus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the tools option down below, that's the third option. Scroll down till you find this to-do option. Here there are suggested tasks for your current week. If you tap on this week button down below, you will be able to select your current week that you are in. And after that you will find relevant tasks. So if you want to add any of these to your to-do list, just simply tap on the plus icon, thereby adding it to your list. If you click on My Tasks at the top, you will be able to find all these entries that you have added, but you can also create your own task by tapping on the Add a To-Do at the top. Here you should type in anything that you want, click on Done, and now your new entry has been added. If you are ready with one of these tasks, all you have to do is clicking into the box icon in the right side of the screen next to your task, thereby putting a checkmark icon into the box indicating that you are done with your task. If you tap on the button Edit in the upper right corner of the screen, you can select an entry that you want to get rid of. So tap on it until this checkmark icon appears in the left side of the screen and click on Remove down below. Tap on OK, and now you have deleted that certain item. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.